Well, the UK has entered its worst economic downturn in 7 years amid uncertainty over its planned exit from the EU in October. The economy has also been weighed down by a trade war between the US and China, two of the UK's largest trading partners. GDP shrank 0.2% in the second quarter, following growth of 0.5% in the first 3 months of the year. Manufacturing, mining and energy output contracted 1.4% during the period as companies prepared for disruptions to the supply chain as a result of Brexit. The Bank of England predicts the economy will return to growth in the third quarter, avoiding a recession, which is 2 consecutive quarters of contraction. And Kallum Pickering is a senior economist at the multinational investment bank Berenberg. He explains what's behind the slowdown.
The headline number looks pretty bad. The economy shrank by 0.2% in Q2 versus a rise of 0.5% in Q1. But you need to take a little look deeper into the numbers to see what is really going on. Domestic spending was pretty strong in both quarters, but what we had is a very strong stockpiling effect in Q1, which had a positive impact on the economy, and then a correction in Q2. Why did that happen? Well, in Q1, firms were worried about a potential hard Brexit at the end of March. They imported stocks of goods. They stockpiled in case of hard Brexit. It didn't happen, and that has been unwound in Q2. So there's a lot of volatility. The underlying trend is weak, but still pretty stable. The pro-Brexit camp in the Conservative Party care about the big picture. They won't be distracted by short-term trends. What we'll probably see actually is a slight positive impact in Q3 again as firms begin to prepare in case of a hard Brexit. We put that risk at about 40%. But you need to keep in mind there's an awful lot of noise about a hard Brexit at the moment, but there's not much action on the Brexit front. What Boris Johnson is trying to do is create a situation where the EU thinks the only alternative to a hard Brexit is a compromise on Theresa May's Brexit deal. So we won't really learn what is going to happen on Brexit probably until September.